Ever spent 12 hours building a DCF model only to realize your terminal value assumptions are garbage? Meet the Financial Modeling Pack, your new secret weapon. We've baked Wall Street grade rigor into step by step DCF tutorials with real EBITDA margin adjustments, Monte Carlo scenario frameworks that stress test 50 plus variables, dynamic sensitivity tables with cross variable elasticity calculations, and investor decks that translate beta coefficients into plain English. Equity analysts, investment bankers, FP&A managers, and private equity associates, all drowning in spreadsheet hell, can now ship models 3 times faster. Spoiler, your CFO will finally understand your work. Here's what's inside the Financial Modeling Pack: data normalization with industry-specific revenue bucketing, DCF valuation modules featuring mid-year discounting and tax loss carry-forward logic, scenario analysis engines that auto-generate bull/bear cases based on historical volatility metrics, sensitivity tables with heat maps for NPV EBITDA cross-elasticity, investor reporting templates compliant with IFRS 17 and ASC 606 standards. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a template pack, it's your new valuation operating system. Installing the Financial Modeling Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Financial Modeling Pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: DCF engines, scenario stress testing modules, presentation ready sensitivity dashboards. No more janky Excel hacks. Your next Claude Code session instantly unlocks 12 pre built valuation frameworks, real time WACC calculators, and investor reporting playbooks with drag and drop charting. Just don't blame us when your intern starts asking for raises. Your model's just got a PhD in precision.